Okay. And then the teeny tiny beanie, itsy bitsy baby one. This tiny little fella. Come on. This is the 8. Alright, and this is the most innermost I'm gonna do today, I think. And I am getting a little tackiness, stickiness with the wand. All right, I'm gonna keep going because I feel like this tacky's gonna go away if I don't get her done here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. This is so cool. But the intro video said about the tackiness when you first start doing it, or when you clamp down, is don't pull away, just blink your eyes, and that has worked perfectly so far. So here you can see. I want to look at myself, not the camera. Okay. And then maybe I'll go with a long one on the end, on the outer edge for this is really cool. This is really cool. Okay. Now we're gonna stick with the plan here. I'm gonna do the 8, little baby one. Last little baby guy. Little tiny baby guy. There, you can see it. On this outside corner. Oh my gosh. I did an eye. That was pretty fast. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer. It does feel a little bit weird on my lashes. I've literally never worn lashes. That's not true. I wore them once. It was the, just like a sheet. I don't know what they're called. I can't remember. I haven't had my coffee even this morning, y'all. That's how excited about this I was. Okay, so let's see. Now I need to fully bond this. So we're gonna come in. I'm holding this thing funky. I'm gonna come in here. And we're gonna bond down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm just gonna blink, and my eyelashes are gonna stay on. That was hard to believe, but it happened. And there's my first application of Lashify. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Whoa, look at that. Look, I did it. Wow. You know what, I think I probably will put some mascara on that bottom lid. No big deal. Or, oh my gosh. This is so cool. Wow. Oh, this looks like it's lifting already, doesn't it? Well, we just stick it back on, right? This one. I may not have gotten enough bond on there. So then I can go in and put more bond on, right? Sure. Okay. Let's do that. Ooh. Okay. The white end, right? Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna come in here. Oh yeah, you can see, I can see where it's actually a little bit too close to my waterline too. I wonder if I can get it off. Since I bonded it. Whoa, this stuff sticks good, huh? Okay, I got it. I don't think I destroyed either of the lashes. We're good, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're good. Okay, let's get a little more bond on that outer edge. Although you could see, as I was removing it, there was enough bond. I think it was on the wrong place, so let's try again. Let's get enough bond on. Oh, you can see my little wayward lower lash in there. Well, that's gonna be a trick, huh? Keep that lower lash out of there. Oh, maybe I just bonded it to the bottom eyelash. No, it won't bother me. I have like no eyelashes on that outer edge of my eye. Goodness. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's try number 2. Need to get some alcohol pads to have. Okay, I think that's maybe in the right place-ish. Oh, I didn't wait long enough, did I? We'll see. Oh yeah, see here we've got this lower lash pulling on. Oh no, I think my real lashes are stuck to my eyelid. Well, that's something that could definitely happen, huh? Oh, look what's happening. Okay, what do I do? I'm a problem solver. This isn't gonna actually be a problem. I stuck the thing to my eyelid instead of my eyelashes. Well, this lash has already been through a lot, little fella. I probably need to clean it off. Oh, what do I do, guys? Ladies, gentlemen? Yeah, do you see? It's kind of stuck. Oh, I bet I can do the pre-cleanse, can't I? We'll see. I probably shouldn't do it right now. Hopefully won't get rid of the bond on my eyelashes, just on the lid. Well, good. I'm glad this didn't... I'm actually glad it didn't go perfect. Because that's kind of what I want to show people, like, yeah. That you can do this even if it's not perfect the first time. Let's see what's going on here with these real lashes. Yeah, spoolie time. I'm gonna have a spoolie bonded to my eye. Oh yeah, my goodness. This bond is definitely sticky. I have an eyelash stuck to my thumb. Okay. Now let's not bond it to the eyelid this time. Okay, it's not perfect, but it doesn't look terrible either. No one's gonna get that close to my face anyway. All right, let's see. I feel like I'm losing my light. I'm not really. Not too shabby for my first eye, huh? That last one is definitely feeling a little bit like it's stuck funny. But I think it looks okay. It doesn't look perfect, but even I didn't expect perfection today. Although I kind of did, because that's how I roll. Everything must be perfect. Okay. That's amazing. I know I've said that a lot. I've never done this before. I literally haven't. I'm not making this up. I'm not even, it's cool. All right, so we had, I'm gonna set up my other eye. 8. Ha, there's cat hair in my lashes. What a surprise. Okay. 8. Ooh, that one's a little bit funky. Let's try another one. Okay. Okay. I need 2 anyway, so 8, 8, 10, 10. So I'm doing 8, 10, 12, 10, 8. That's what's on this eye. Amplify. I know you guys don't say the words for the actual lashes. A's. I don't know the lingo yet. I'm brand new. Give me a break. 8, 8, 2 8s, 2 10s, 1 12. And I will say the longer lashes are definitely easier to get grasp and kind of hold on. Oh boy, I'm a little bit nervous about the opposite eye here. Let's see. Black. Oh, I haven't cleaned it yet. Pre-cleanse. 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 I'm just doing pre-cleanse on it. It's a lot, isn't it? Guess I need to look at, oh, that eye is reacting strongly to the pre-cleanse. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten so much on here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Got an eye watering situation going on. I recently found out that I have extremely sensitive eyes. We don't know our own normals, and so I would say the other eye didn't bother me at all, so I may just have something going on in this eye today. Okay. Pre-cleanse, which I still think I got way too much on here, but let's see. Stab myself in the eye with a Q-tip. Awesome. Okay. Put our stopper back in. Works great. This is actually a very generous amount of this. I appreciate it. Thank you. I guess I'll get used to waving at my eyes too. Meow. Cute cat. I want to show you guys what I have all laying here. Can I do that? I'm going to show you. So, my Lashify kit. Let's see if I can maneuver this camera. So here's my little setup. I've got some Q-tips here. I've got all my new stuff. It doesn't look like it's focusing. My lashes. There's not exactly neat. Ah, there I am. So that's kind of, this might be upside down. No, it's not. It's not upside down. Okay. let's get back to this. I was just entertaining you while this dried. It's actually not dry because my eye started watering. So I do think I need to wait a little longer. But I'll tell you, I almost can't feel these lashes on this side. The only reason I can feel them is because I fiddled so much with this outer corner one and I got a ton of gloppy bond on there. Otherwise, like these first 4 I put on, I only have 5 lashes on this one. So it's an 8, 10, 12, 10, 8. And I couldn't feel them at all until I got that last one, had to redo some things. So there we go. Although the center one looks like it's lifting already. Again, let's get this. I definitely like the I think it's fully set up now too, because it's not sticking at all. So this bonding may be an exercise in futility, this extra bond, or this extra clamp down.